Hello class, my name is Tzic, and today I will be teaching you oboe. So first things first, we want to make sure that we have the logo on top so we know on the right side up. We also want you to prepare a glass of water for your reed for later. And once you open the case, you're going to see the oboe itself and you're going to see your reed. Unless your own person, yeah, you're going to see your reed, yeah. So first things first, you're going to get your reed and start soaking it in the water. And then you can put this back in here. So first things first, when assembling the case, the oboe itself, we're going to grab the bell, which is this piece right here. The last piece. We're going to grab the bottom joint, and you'll know that because it has this well piece right here. And we're going to attach them without trying to press any keys. And just for nice assembly, we want the logo to match up with the keys here. Excuse me. And then we're going to get the upper joint, which is this piece right here, which you can see because there's this little like indent here that goes up. And also the last piece that's in the case. And we want to try to put these two together without bending any keys. So, and then we're going to want to match the bridge keys that are on this corner that match together so they don't mess up. And they activate well when playing the keys. Second, we're going to put our correct fingering. So for our left hand, we want to start off right here where we have this tab. And then we have right here, we're going to skip this little thing that's right here. And we're going to go to this one. Skip this one right here and go to the third one right here. And your pinkies are just going to hover over these for whatever keys are going to be needed for. And for your right hand right here, oh, sorry, before we do that, left thumb should go right under here. And you don't really want to press it because you only press it for certain notes, not all of them. So you want to just have it hovering under. And for your right hand, you want to have your thumb going under here where there's a thumb rest. You want your first finger to go where there's a little tab. You want your second finger to go where there's a hole. And your third finger to go right next to the circle. And you want to skip the half crest moon right here. And that should be for your finger placements. Now we're going to take our reed. Now that it's like moist and wet, we want to make sure there's no more water by just you know. And for our embouchure, you want to make sure that our lips are tucked back, and so our reed can be right here. And you want to try to, is what we call crow the reed. It's why we blow through it. And that's how you do your embouchure. Make sure we have a lot of support in the core because this oboe needs a lot of air. So we put it in together inside here where it naturally stops, and that should be. So we're going to do our first note, which is D. We're learning hot cross buns today. So we're going to have a half hole. So we're going to press this tab here, not the actual key, but the tab. And we're going to have it where it naturally goes for all the other keys. We want to make sure for this one, because since there is a hole here, we want to make sure that we're covering so all the note speaks well. I'm going to have that. Press all those keys down. Make sure no thumb. And just blow. That is our D. Then we're going to have C, which is just our first finger. We're covering the hole this time. So we're not on the tab, but we're covering the hole. And our first finger here. And no thumb again. And that's our second note. And for B flat, it is super easy. We keep these two fingers and we simply just add this one right here. And that's our B flat. Make sure we want to have that air support there so all notes speak very well. And for hot cross buns, it's simply D, C, B flat, D, C, B flat, B flat, B flat, B flat, C, 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 D, C, B flat. And I'll play it for you so you can hear. against this. And it's simple. It shouldn't be hard whatsoever, even though I messed up. There is just a simple little weird thing happening, but easy. And we want to make sure we get a lot of water when doing this, just so we stay hydrated and, you know, take breaks whenever you need. And I hope you have a great day.